If I was a demon, this is the color I would wear all the time. I'd be like, hey, I'm here to take your soul, but look how good my lips look. Oh. What's up guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to me and my ever-changing backgrounds that never stay the same and probably will never stay the same. Today I'm going to be testing the new Lime Crime, actually I'm not sure if it's new, but the Lime Crime Velvetine collection Milf. It's the Milf collection and it's the Velvetines, and this is a limited edition product. My sister gave these to me for Christmas and I'm so happy. I've never actually used any Lime Crime products before, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I thought. It comes with 4 different lipsticks and they're all really beautiful. So if you want to see my reaction and how they all look on me and my skin tone, then keep on watching. I have never used any Lime Crime products, so I'm actually really excited to see how they work and how they turn out. This is the... I feel like it's supposed to say Milf, but, yeah. I think just the little $sign is throwing me off, but it's Milf Velvetines collection, and this is a limited edition, so let's dig in. So when I first saw the packaging, I thought, oh my god, my sister got me like a giant thing of cigarettes as a joke. It honestly took me like 15 seconds to figure out what it was. Because you're amazing. Thank you. So let's just open her up, see what's inside. Oh my god. Ooh, pretty. Oh, these are actually really pretty. How do I show these? This is the problem I have every time I do like a lipstick swatch video. I don't know how to hold them. Help. Okay, so these are the 4 colors that come in the package. They're actually really pretty. I love colors like this. I'll read the names of each one. This one is Stacy's mom. Has got it going on. Please focus. Well, you get the idea. This one is Low Cut. The next one is Cougar. It's kind of a mauve-y brown. And the last one is Milf with a $sign. Does that even make sense? It's like the one on the package. That's the name of this one. Alright, so I'm gonna swatch all 4 of these, and today I'm gonna use my popcorn flavored lip scrub from Lush because I read that the product is usually it sits better on the lips when you use a lip scrubby. Does this expire? Where's the expiration date? Oh. Yep, it's expired. I'm gonna use it anyway though because this is the only one I have. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't really like the popcorn flavor of this, but the only other one that they had was bubblegum, and I don't really like artificial bubblegum flavor. So I picked this one, which is not bad. It's just kind of like sweet, but then it's also salty, and you're like, I'm not sure if I want like salty lips. First of all, I'd just like to point out the packaging. It's really pretty. It has Lime Crime on the lid of it, and then it has these cute little rose details. Zoom you guys in so you can see. Maybe. But it's actually really cute, and it has these little rose details on it. The bottle itself is just, I think it's glass. It sounds like glass. So the first one I'm going to be trying on is Milf. It's a real pretty kind of, I guess they could all be considered mauve-y, so I'm not even gonna like go into that. Wow. Oh, they have like a kind of a vanilla scent. They seem pretty watery. I might have to finesse this maybe a little bit and put on maybe 2 coats, but we'll see. ASMR. Is that what those things are called? It comes with a nice doe foot applicator as well. Can you see that? All right, here we go. Wow. I look like a vampire with this. This is actually so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel like this is definitely one of those like Your Lips but better colors. I really like it. I think it's really flattering. I feel like I don't look the greatest in some of these kind of like nudie. I don't even know if this would be considered a nude color, but in some of these colors because I feel like my skin is so pale that sometimes it really makes me look like bah. But this one's really nice. I really like it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's so, oh, please focus. It's so, oh my God. Let's move on. That came off really nicely. All right, the next one is called Low Cut. It's a kind of a, I can't really tell if it's supposed to be like a red color. I have no idea. Let's try it on though. This one's really watery too, but I wonder if that's what makes them really good. Wow. You guys, I am obsessed with this color. Oh my God. Oh, it's on my teeth. It's on my teeth. I just found my new daily lipstick. Oh, I'm gonna wear this every day. I'm obsessed with this. And this was only one coat. One coat. The next shade I'm gonna try, if I can read, is Cougar. It's this kind of brown color. Oh my God. Oh my God. What have I done? No. Great. That's just, I don't know how, but I always manage to get lipstick on my teeth. I feel like I take every precaution to not. It must be coded into my DNA. I just can't do it. Wow, I'm actually pretty impressed with this color. I feel like I wouldn't like it. I feel like the only time I would wear it out if I was going on like a tour of just a chocolate factory, just so people wouldn't notice that, you know, I had shoved a bunch of chocolate into my mouth. They would just be like, oh, it's her lipstick. And I'm like, oh, yeah, that's what you think. On to the next. All right, and then the last color in this collection is called Stacy's Mom. And I'm actually really excited for this one because it looks like it's a really pretty kind of purple color. Let's see how she looks. Oh, I love this color too. Oh my God. This is so stunning. Oh my God. These two are definitely my favorite. It's Stacy's Mom and Low Cut. My sister really came through on this one. Oh my God. These are also like really nice because they dry down so fast. I've never had a liquid lipstick that dries down as fast as these do. Oh, these are all so amazing. Lime Crime. I am so impressed. I love all four of these so much. I am so psyched. Again, this is the Lime Crime Milf Velvetine collection. This is a limited edition product. So I really think that you guys should all get your hands on this because this is amazing. This is the first time I've ever tried anything from Lime Crime. So this is gonna be put on my list of good products that I'll probably get more into. Thanks again for tuning into one of my terrible, awful videos. I really appreciate your love and support. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'll have everything linked down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! A goddess in her true form.